Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025 to 2024 Toyota Supra. The 2024 Toyota Supra has been named the Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025, cementing its place as a standout in the world of performance and luxury. With its dynamic handling, striking design, and high-tech features, the Supra continues to deliver an exceptional driving experience that combines thrilling performance with premium comfort. Thrilling performance and agile handling. The 2024 Toyota Supra impresses with its powerful engine options and agile dynamics. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine producing 255 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, offering brisk acceleration and a responsive driving experience. For those seeking more power, the Supra 3.0 model is equipped with a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine that delivers an exhilarating 382 horsepower and 368 lb-ft of torque. This setup allows the Supra to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds, providing sports car enthusiasts with a high-performance thrill. The Supra's rear-wheel drive layout, coupled with its well-tuned suspension and precise steering, ensures exceptional handling and balance. Whether navigating winding roads or tackling track days, the Supra offers a driving experience that is both engaging and refined. Bold design and luxurious interior. The 2024 Supra boasts a design that blends aggressive styling with aerodynamic efficiency. Its low, wide stance, sculpted lines, and distinctive front grille give the Supra a commanding presence on the road. Inside, the Supra offers a driver-focused cockpit with high-quality materials and a modern aesthetic. The cabin features supportive sports seats, a user-friendly 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and a digital instrument cluster. Premium materials like leather and Alcantara enhance the overall luxury feel, while the ergonomic layout ensures that everything is within easy reach for an optimal driving experience. Advanced technology and safety features. The 2024 Supra is equipped with a range of advanced technology and safety features. Standard equipment includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring a safe and convenient driving experience. The Supra also offers optional features such as a head-up display and a premium JBL sound system, further enhancing the luxury experience. Conclusion. The 2024 Toyota Supra's blend of exhilarating performance, bold design, and luxurious features has earned it the title of Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025. With its powerful engines, agile handling, and high-quality interior, the Supra remains a top choice for drivers who seek a sports car that delivers both excitement and refinement.